ODI developed the lock-on grips for moto, mountain bike, ATV, basically anything you have a grip that you don't want to move. They started making these in 1980 and they've been made in the USA ever since. ODI makes the lock-on grips in many different colorways and designs, from half waffle and no waffle, Rogue, Nomad, Micro X for micro bars, and universal lock-on grips to use on the billet throttle tubes with a bearing for e-bikes like a Stark, Surdon, or Talaria. They've also partnered with Moto legend Jeff Immig to make Immig Pro and Immig 2.0 lock-on grips. Each set of these grips include every cam you can need for both 2 strokes and 4. One of my personal favorite things about these grips are the ends. They're stronger than most and they tend to hold up a lot better than a normal grip whenever you hit the dirt. And I hit the dirt a lot. Along with that, they also make a standard glue-on style grip in about every color you can imagine. ODI may be best known for grips, but they also make some of the best bars, mounts, and aluminum throttle tubes on the market. They offer both 7/8 and 1 1/8 inch handlebar with or without a crossbar. The crossbar models use controlled flex technology. It's like built-in suspension to reduce the fatigue while still using the crossbar for strength. Speaking of, all models are made from a variety of high-quality alloys for added strength and durability. Check out some of these products from ODI and grab some for your ride at MotoSport.com.